Welcome to Easy Learning Tree Kids, where learning is fun. Today, let's dive into the exciting story of the Emma and the Secret of the Wishing Woods. Emma was an ordinary girl with an extraordinary imagination. She loved adventure stories, treasure maps, and solving mysteries. Every weekend, she explored the forest behind her house, pretending she was a brave explorer. But one Saturday morning, something truly magical happened. As she walked along her favorite trail, Emma spotted something shimmering near the roots of an old oak tree. She knelt down and gasped. It was a tiny golden key. Emma's heart pounded with excitement. "A key means there must be a treasure," she whispered to herself. But what did it open? She turned the key over and noticed a tiny engraving. Wishing Woods. She had never heard of such a place. "I have to find it," she decided, tucking the key safely in her pocket. Emma searched the forest carefully, looking for anything unusual. That's when she noticed a small, winding path covered in twinkling leaves. It hadn't been there before. Taking a deep breath, she stepped onto the path. The moment she did, a soft wind swirled around her, carrying whispers like giggles. The trees shimmered with golden light, and the air smelled like warm cinnamon and honey. "This is amazing!" Emma exclaimed. She followed the path until she reached a massive wooden door built into the side of a giant tree. The door had a keyhole, the same shape as her golden key. Emma's hands trembled with excitement as she slid the key into the lock and turned it. Click! The door creaked open, revealing a breathtaking sight. A magical world. Beyond the door was a hidden forest, brighter and more colorful than any place Emma had ever seen. The trees had glowing blue leaves, and the flowers sparkled like tiny stars. A crystal clear river flowed gently, and she could hear the cheerful hum of creatures all around. Suddenly, a tiny voice squeaked, "A visitor! A visitor!" Emma turned and saw a talking squirrel wearing tiny glasses and a red scarf. "Who are you?" Emma asked, amazed. "I'm Pip, the keeper of the Wishing Woods," the squirrel announced proudly. "Only kind and adventurous hearts can enter here. You must be very special." Emma grinned. "I found this key. I didn't even know this place existed." Pip nodded. "That key belongs to the Tree of Wishes, but something terrible has happened. The tree's magic is fading, and without it, the Wishing Woods will disappear forever." Emma gasped. "How can we save it?" Pip's tiny ears twitched. "We must find the 3 missing gems that power the tree, but they're hidden across the woods and we'll have to face tricky challenges to get them." Emma clapped her hands. "A real adventure! Let's go!" Pip led Emma to a beautiful pond with water as clear as glass. In the center, floating on a lily pad, was the first gem, a dazzling blue sapphire. Emma stepped forward, but Pip held up a paw. "Wait, the pond is protected by a puzzle. If we answer correctly, we can cross. If not, the bridge disappears." A glowing sign appeared above the pond. "I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish." What am I? Emma thought hard. Cities, mountains, water, but no real life. Then she gasped. "A map! It's a map!" The pond shimmered and a bridge of glowing lily pads appeared. Emma carefully stepped across and picked up the blue sapphire. "1 gem down, 2 to go," she cheered. Next, Pip and Emma reached a giant hedge maze with tall, twisting walls. The second gem, a shiny green emerald, sat on a pedestal at the very center. But as they entered, the maze began to shift and change, creating new paths. "The only way through is to make the maze laugh," Pip explained. If it likes you, it will show the way. Emma scratched her head. How could she make a maze laugh? Then she grinned. She took a deep breath and started telling her silliest jokes. What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing. It just waved. The walls of the maze shook with laughter, and a new path opened. What's a tree's favorite drink? Root beer. More laughter, and another path appeared. Finally, after a few more jokes, Emma and Pip reached the center of the maze. The green emerald glowed brightly. Emma grabbed it, and the maze cheered in delight. 2 gems down, 1 left, Emma said excitedly. For the last gem, Pip and Emma had to climb a giant tree that stretched into the sky. At the top, hidden in a floating cloud castle, was the golden topaz. Hold on tight, Pip squeaked as they climbed. The higher they went, the softer the air felt, like they were climbing into a dream. At the top, they found a friendly cloud giant guarding the final gem. He had a big, fluffy beard and a voice as soft as thunder. To earn the golden topaz, he rumbled, you must show me your bravest heart. Emma stood tall. I'm ready. The giant gently lifted his hands, and suddenly the sky filled with swirling storm clouds. The wind howled and tiny bolts of lightning crackled around them. Emma took a deep breath. Instead of running, she held out her arms and danced in the wind, laughing as the raindrops kissed her cheeks. The giant smiled. You are truly brave. He handed Emma the golden topaz. We did it, she shouted. Emma and Pip rushed back to the Tree of Wishes. As soon as they placed the 3 gems into the tree's heart, its branches glowed with golden light. The wishing woods came alive again. Flowers bloomed, waterfalls sparkled, and the creatures cheered with joy. Emma, you saved our home, Pip said, hugging her finger. A warm feeling filled Emma's heart. She had solved puzzles, made others laugh, and faced her fears, all in one day. As a reward, the Tree of Wishes gave Emma a tiny, glowing acorn. This will remind you that bravery and kindness make the world magical, Pip said. As the sun began to set, Emma stepped back through the wooden door and found herself back in her own forest. But she knew the wishing woods would always be there, waiting for her next adventure. And with a smile, she whispered, until next time. Wow, little explorers, what a magical adventure. Emma showed us that bravery, kindness, and curiosity can unlock amazing things. Thanks for exploring with us, little explorers, on Easy Learning Tree Kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun adventures. See you next time.